If y is equal to x to the 5 minus 3x to the 4th minus the square root of x plus 4 over x squared, find dy by dx, which is the first derivative, and find the second derivative as well. Okay, so we've got y is equal to x to the 5 minus 3x to the 4th minus x to the square root of x plus 4 over x squared. Now we need to prepare this better so that we can differentiate it. So we've got to rewrite it a little bit. So it will become x to the 5 minus 3x to the 4. The square root of x becomes x to the half. We've got plus 4. And then this bit here will come up here and will become x to the minus 2. We'll now expand. So x to the 5 times x to the minus 2 gives you x cubed. Minus 3x to the 4th times x to the minus 2 gives you minus 3x squared. Minus 3x to the half times x to the minus 2. If you add the indices, you get minus 3 over 2. Don't use mixed numbers. And you've got 4 plus 4 times x to the minus 2. We can now differentiate. So that will become 3x squared minus 6x. This one will become plus 3 over 2 x, and we take 1 from the power, it becomes minus 5 over 2. This becomes minus 8 over x to the minus 3. If we now rewrite that, that becomes 3x squared minus 6x. This becomes 3 over 2 times the square root of x to the power of 5. The minus sign means it goes into the denominator. The 2 means take the square root, and the 5 means raise it to the power of 5. And the last one becomes minus 8 over x cubed. So you need a really good command of your rules of the indices here. Finding the second derivative, we go back to this one and differentiate this one, not the one that we've rewrited. So that will just become 6x minus 6. Now you've got minus 5 times 3 over 2, so that becomes 15 minus 15 over 4. X to the minus 7 over 2, and here we're going to have minus 8. So it will become plus 24 x to the minus 4. And if we rewrite that, we're going to take out a common factor of 3. So we get 2x minus 3. Minus 5 over 4. This means take the x down, take the square root and raise it to the power of 7. Plus 8, because we've taken 3 out, 8 over x to the 4. So there's been a video to show you how to find the first and second derivative by using negative and fractional indices. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.